Shagru, Bayre go school. Class topic. Yes, today we'll discuss regarding strings concept. So, in previous classes, we discussed regarding arrays only. So, it is nothing but a collection of similar type of data. Collection of similar type of data. So, similarly, we are having strings only. Strings are nothing but a collection of group of characters. A collection of group of characters which we call it as a string. So a collection of characters which we call it as a string only. Here the thing is, C programming is having different types of data types, but we don't have string data type. And in regular life, regular real life, we people are using strings to work with character type of data. So now in this situation, if you people want to work with these things, means group of characters or strings, then we have a solution is arrays only. Character type of arrays. With the help of character type of array, we can go with strings concept. So if you require string, then the alternative is character type of array. Why? Because we don't have string data type in C programming. Okay, why we require string? Up to the previous classes, we never discussed regarding the strings. Now why we require? Is it compulsory to work with that one? Yes, the time will come which you're supposed to work with strings only. Some applications may need to work with some text of data. At that time, you may require strings concept. So today, we'll discuss how we are going to work with strings and how can utilize the services only. So already I told you that string is a collection of characters. It is character type of array. Means we can define like this: char, some azimuth s of size. So how many characters you require? For example, I supposed to work with some 100 characters. Then I can say char s of 100. If I require some 20 characters, then I can say char s of 20. Here s is not a built-in only. You can use it some xyz, whatever it may be. For example, I need to take student name. I need to work with student name. Then I can define the meaningful variable name, or I identify some like this: char stud underscore name. I can say the size of some 50. So this is the variable name. This is the variable name. Like that, based on your situation and based on your requirement, we can use these strings. So today we'll discuss how we can access the string, how we can process it. So to accept any string from the keyboard, so we have two options. One is with the help of Scanf, another one is with the help of getS. So by using these two functions, we can accept the string from the keyboard. So assume some s is in a variable. I suppose to store the string into s. Then the scanf will be like this: scanf percentage s. For characters percentage s, quotation close, comma, ampersand s. So this is the way which we can accept character only. Similarly, we can work with getAs function also. You can work with getAs function also. So if you are working with getAs function, it will be like this: s equal to some s equal to getAs, s equal to getAs, means it is going to take the character and it is going to take the character. So like that we can accept the data through keyboard. So if you need to accept the data through keyboard, we can go with getAs method or else scanf method. In some interviews, they may ask why you are using scanf instead of getAs. Is there any reason? Why you are using getAs instead of scanf? Is there any reason? So both can use, okay, but we need to justify. The only thing is when you are considering string, for example, student name I am saying. So for example, Venkat Reddy, assume it the name is Venkat Reddy. Then how we are going to write? We are going to write like this: VENKATREDDY. Means it is having two words. Venkat is one word, Reddy is one word. So assume it we are having this type of strings. At that situation, scanf is not preferable. Why? Because scanf will accept a single word, and if you mention any space, then up to the space only it will take. Even though you provided Venkat Reddy, but it will accept Venkat only. Then what about Reddy? It will not consider. But if you work with getAs, it will take total Venkat Reddy. It will consider. Okay. Up to how many characters I can take? That is another question. Assume it I am having some text. Okay. It is having number of lines of text only. How we can accept? Whether we'll go with scanf or else getAs. That is another question will rise in our mind. At that situation, we'll prefer scanf only. Again I am revising. Assume it I am having one text. So for example, so Mallikarjuna Infosys. So opposite Gayatri Estates. Karnool, Andhra Pradesh, India. Automate, I supposed to accept this information through keyboard. When I told you that with the help of scanf, it will take a single word only. So scanf will take single word only. getAs will take a single line only. It may having number of words within a line. Means if I consider this one, so I am having Mallikarjuna Infosys in a line. So it is having two words, but it is in a line. The total line it will consider with the help of getAs. If I consider scanf, it will take only Mallikarjuna. But I supposed to give input total information, whatever is appearing. Then what is the solution? Means Scanf can do the task. How? Again the question, how? The thing is, here we are having Scanf is supporting some escape characters and until character is going to support. Until character is going to support. So that I will tell you. The thing is Scanf in quotations percentage cap symbol, cap symbol, assume it EOF, I am saying capital letter S ampersand S. So with the help of this statement, we can go with multiple lines of input and it. Okay, hope you understood. Here in square brackets we have option called until, cap symbol, it indicates until. EOF means user pressed Ctrl Z and it. Until user pressed Ctrl Z, it will consider. Others until police stop, if you want, we can mention until police stop. Okay, so assume it this is finally end with police stop. When you observe this string, it ends with finally, it ends with police stop only. Then we can say that like this: scanf percentage until dot s comma ampersand s. It is up to you. It is up to you. Okay. This is one advantage of scanf only. Today we'll work an example for these three things only. Okay. Just a minute. So first we'll show an example for scanf only. So hash include stdio.h main. I'm taking some cat. Yes, I am taking, but it is not restricted only. Any name you can use it. So I'm taking some 200. Whatever it may be the size based on your requirement. So printf enter string or enter text, whatever it may be the message. Scanf, I'm saying percentage s ampersand str I'm taking, sorry. Okay, whatever it may be, but s means it will be get some confusion. Others st I can take as you wish. So printf backslash n percentage s comma s. Whatever I accepted, I'm going to display it. Just I'm compiling it. Sorry. Just I'm executing. Earlier what I said Venkat Reddy I am giving. So Alt F5 I am pressing. I received Venkat. Actually I entered Venkat Reddy only, but it is showing Venkat only. It is showing Venkat only. Then how we can process it? What is the solution? The simple solution is go with get as. Instead of scanf, just I am keeping in comment section. Instead of scanf, go with get as. So st equal to get as function I am calling. Just I'm going to compare. Sorry. So get S of st I'm saying. So get S of st. Just I'm running it. Now I'm giving Venkat Reddy. Just alt F5. So it is showing Venkat Reddy. Means the total string whatever you specified until end of the line. So whatever you want you can specify it. Once you press enter, that will not consider it. For example, I am saying number of words I am giving. Okay, but once I press enter, it will come out. Just to observe that this is the whole string which I expected. Sorry. Okay. So this is about scanf and getters. Now we'll discuss regarding how to work with multiple lines of data. How to work with multiple lines of data. So this can be done with the help of scanf only. So getters I am keeping in comment. Just I am removing that one. Now what we supposed to do is, so here I am going to use square bracket until cap symbol dot I am giving, then close, yes, quotation close, comma, ampersand, st. Okay, now I am going to check it. So hash just a minute. And key issue is there. So now I am running. I am entering Mallikarjuna Infosys, enter, opposite Gayatri Estate, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, India. So when I entered dot, then it was stopped. Now we can check. So whatever I accepted now, multiple lines of code means multiple type lines of input got the same as usual. So Mallikarjuna Infosys, opposite Gayatri Estates, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, India. So this is about strings. Okay. So to accept the string and to work with string, so we can use these things. Okay. So this is about today's class. And next and tomorrow we'll continue with new topic. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask on chat box.